Hi, welcome everyone to the Vortex call. I'm me, Shruti Agarwal. So, as I was talking, what is Vortex? Vortex is an ocean. It is an ocean which you can keep on churning and milking. A reminder, it's an ocean where everything actualizes. It is not a wishing well where you're just wishing that it will show up someday. There is a difference between wishing well and a vortex. So, what would you choose? A wishing well or a vortex? Choice is yours, friends. Again, in a wishing well, you are wishing. In a vortex, you know it is there. Now, if the key and the password to enter the vortex is in your hand, are you willing to trust yourself that you can have so much and you can actualize all that you're choosing? The trust is the key. Are you willing to trust and have that for you, friends? Each one of you. How much? Again, choice is yours. As I give you a key and a password to your vault, will you just sit with that key and the password outside the vault, or will you make the best of that? Similarly, are you willing to make the best of being in the vortex, friends? Trust, trust, trust. Trust is the first key to be in the vortex. The second one, which I was sharing with you all, is if it is a very snowy day and it is raining and the wind is blowing and everything is helter and skelter, and you just tuck yourself inside the blanket and be there and never come out of it. Now, after that snowy weather and that breeze and that wind, in the morning, the sun is out there shining bright and willing to kiss your skin. See the contrast in the universe. The night it was storm, the morning it is a sunny morning. Where did you decide in your life and living that when you were going through contrast in your life, when your body was giving up, when your relations were giving up, when your finances were broken, where did you give it up, friends? And you stayed there tucked in your comfort, did not even acknowledge there is contrast. So, the second step, are you willing to acknowledge that the contrast is there, friends? Now, the contrast here is, are you either willing to choose to be in the ocean, in the vortex where everything actualizes, or you're just waiting outside the ocean, the vortex, hoping and wishing? The key is with you, the password is with you. What is that wait for? The wait is only that you do not trust in you. Are you willing to trust you? To be in an ocean, there are few steps. First is trust. I'll be sharing the 4 steps. The first is trust. Trust in you. How much trust do you have? 5%, 10%, 100%. Guys, get that. If you have 100% trust in you, you are in the vortex. The second is joy. What amount of joy are you being? What amount of joy are you emitting out all the time? See the child is just a bundle of joy, regardless of anything. It is just emitting pure joy. So, what is that joy for you, friends? Do you feel it in everything and situations? Get it. The second step is joy. The third is gratitude, which we all know. Now, are you just being gratitude, or are you living it? Do you just breathe, or do you truly breathe? So, where are you, friends? Nobody can put it down your throat. You have to get it, friends. If you have these 4 steps, nothing can stop you from actualizing anything. If things are not actualizing, check your meter. That my trust meter is where. If 10 is full trust and 0 is no trust, where are you in that meter? If joy is 10 and 0 is sadness, where are you in the joy meter? If gratitude is 10 and no gratitude is 0, where are you in that meter? If appreciation is 10 and no appreciation is 0, where are you in that meter, guys? Check it. Are you appreciating you truly? Are you appreciating others truly? Or you're just in judgment of it? If you're in judgment of it, friends, you're outside the vortex. So how many times do you receive judgment or you be judgment? Get it. If these 4 things are there with you, trust, joy, gratitude, and appreciation, nothing can stop you from actualizing, nothing can stop you from being in the vortex, friends. The desire is in you. What if true joy is not about your property, is not about your wealth? It's not about your possessions. It's only about the state like a child. Are you being that state? How much is that state? It adds to a good feeling to the physical body. Get it, friends? Are you being that all the time, emitting it all the time? It's like, when your electrical sockets are there and all the buttons are on, and if you insert your finger inside that charger point, you will be like electrocuted. So are you willing to be electrocuted by joy? That you're so joy that if anybody even thinks of you, starts laughing, if anybody touches you, it's like electrocuted by joy. Have that for you, friends, that you are emitting joy. Now, in this reality, everybody has their own game. They are not bothered about you. Do you get it? Everybody is playing their own chessboard. They are not bothered about your chessboard. So where are you, friends? Are you bothered about what others are playing? Or are you thinking that others will be bothered about your game? No. Pay attention to how you feel and do. Everything you do and be joy, guys. Truly be joy. If you're losing the chessboard also, if you're losing the chess game also, be so much of joy that, wow, I played a game. That's it. Just for the fun of it. Instead of going into that drama of I lose and that one, stop it, guys. Just stop it. Step up. Everything else you do, it'll just stop. All that drama will stop. And when you start being that joy, truly emitting that joy, all that you choose, all that you desire starts flowing to you. Are you willing to be that? Are you willing to be that magnet of joy? The choice is yours, friend. The 4 steps, the trust, the joy, the gratitude, and the appreciation, guys. It's not about chanting, it's about living it in your breath. Every breath you're living it. If you're going to the most toughest time, what is the joy in there? What trust do you have in that situation? With you, regards to you. How much gratitude and appreciation do you have to you that, I could withstand that. And now the trust that the contrast is there. Okay, I went through such bad things. I know that to the contrast, there is good also. And start seeing in that good, friends. It's about when you are doing those aggressive 11 days of vortex call with me, I give you all the steps where you really navigate your steering to the contrast which works for you, and not to be in the contrast which is not working for you. So are you willing to be that? And it can only happen when you start these 4 steps, friends. The 4 steps are, again I repeat, trust in you, joy, gratitude, and appreciation. And now, do this home play. Have this home play for all eternity for you. How to truly melt and be joy, gratitude, trust, and appreciation. The first one is leverage your time by being more of trust, joy, gratitude, and appreciation. So what I do, I have set an alarm. And then I leverage my time to be all of this. So you can set your time maybe every 6 hours, every 12 hours, once a day, however it works for you. That, okay, the alarm rings and it's like, okay, I breathe joy, I breathe trust, I breathe gratitude, I breathe awareness, I breathe appreciation. Just be that, friends. The more you be that, you will see you are in the vortex, friends. Vortex is no far away from you. The next one is read and watch anything where it is all about trust, gratitude, joy, and appreciation. So you can read about people who function from this space. You can read books, you can read jokes, watch cartoons, watch standalone humors, anything which talks about these four things. Read and watch more of this, more of this. The more you be trust, joy, gratitude, and appreciation, you will start receiving more of that by default. The third one is start being it in actions and feelings, friends. So now you start feeling it in your body. Your action speaks about when you are opening your mouth or when you are being anything and doing anything, it is coming with so much of gratitude, appreciation, joy. Be that, friends. The fourth one is all day, all day long, make that time for you where you start listing and journaling every day that what actions did you take to be more of trust, joy, gratitude, and appreciation. If you start practicing these four things, friends, nothing can stop you from milking your vortex. What is milking a vortex? When you beat the coffee batter, the coffee is frothy and good. Similarly, when you keep on milking that vortex, more of gratitude, more of joy, more of appreciation, more of trust will show up. You will see all of a sudden people are coming in your way who are truly being in gratitude for you. Situations turn. So everything which was a contrast, which was gloomy, which was stormy, be sunny for you now. So how much are you willing to milk? And the milk can only happen, the key is in your hand, the password is in your hand when you step inside the vortex. You can only step inside the vortex when the four steps are there with you, which is trust, joy, gratitude, and appreciation. And to milk it more, you have to set an alarm, you have to read and watch more about all these four, you have to have it in your actions and feelings. And the fourth one is you have to be that and start writing a journal. And there you're in the vortex, friends. So what is stopping you? Start it right away. Be in the vortex right now. Any questions, friend? Anybody has any questions? Did you all get it? What is a vortex? I saw such amazing screens with some S, with some M, with a Sai Baba, with Harikriti's face, with a beautiful doggy. Sonia's laughing Chehra, Purva's amazing workbooks. Hi Tejal, hi Leela, hi Sonali. It would be great to see you all. Anyways, see you all again. And what else is possible? The recording will be there on the description. So hope the vortex is a contribution to each of you all, whatever you all are doing. And thank you everyone and love you guys.